Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, obviously welcome back to another video. So like the title says, today's video is going to be a hair install and a mini review on this Wiggins Hair. So Wiggins sent me their 24-inch 7x4 BodyWave HD glueless wig, and this came pre-cut, pre-styled, literally wear and go out of the box. And this is the first wig I'm receiving that is a ready-to-wear wig that was actually ready to wear. The knots came bleached. The only thing I had to do was put some foundation on the lace just to get it to melt into my skin color, but except from that, everything was seamless. So at this point, I'm just laying my edges down just so that they are not showing out of my wig. And then I'm going to put on my wig cap, which came with this wig. I put some foundation on the lace. It also comes with adjustable straps, which I absolutely love, so you can taper this wig to your head size. As you can see, that hairline was plucked nicely. I literally didn't have to do any work, guys. This is an investment. You need this wig in your collection. This is me just adjusting the wig just to fit my head right. As you can see, the lace literally melts into your skin once you put it on. I had not cut my lace at this point. This is literally how it comes from the factory. Also, a trick for you guys, I don't like to actually spray glue on the actual lace, so I put it on the brush like you can see me doing, and then I just use that to like press it into my skin. So I spray the glue on the brush and then I use the brush to press into my lace. This way your lace isn't crunchy and you're able to be more precise. As you can see, I used a very small brush. So I like to go in with a toothbrush, spray it with some hairspray, and then brush onto my wigs, and it gives you a very nice relaxed look like this. It looks like you have like a fresh perm. I'm then gonna go in with a small scissors and just cut off a bit of the excess lace on the sides. But honestly guys, you can see this is given flawless, and it didn't take that long. Like, this tutorial couldn't even be too long because it's so straightforward. This is literally the best ready to wear wig I have had, hands down, from any company being sent to me. Like, it's literally a ready to wear, and it's thick. This is 200 density. I'm then gonna go in and do some styling. My camera cut out at this point and I didn't even realize, but basically after laying my hair with some hairspray, I decided to go in with some curls because I did brush out the curls that it came with. I did mimic the curls that it came with and just did like tighter fresh curls. The hair is thick, as you can see. By the time I put the curls in, it's just shining. It's so beautiful. I like how dark it is. Usually I dye my units jet black, but like this has a very dark look already. The quality is nice. People who've seen it on me are like, this hair is so bomb. And when the curls dropped like 2-3 days later after this video, it had a very nice exotic wavy look to it. It holds a curl so well. The lace, guys, look at that. As you can see, guys, this lace melts into your hair. I don't think I need to say too much. I'm now just blending in some powder. This is me just zooming in for you guys to see it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll have all the information to this hair in the description box down below for you guys, as well as a direct link to this unit. Let me know your thoughts on this video and on this hair. If you like it, give this a thumbs up. If you want to see more hairstyling videos, let me know in the comment section below. And except from that, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.